Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This video I'm gonna show you how to remove single photo from Instagram posts. So first of all, let's open up our Instagram. Alright, we're gonna just go ahead to our avatar icon next to the reels, and you're gonna open this post, for example. Right, what you're gonna do is make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the last version so you can get all the new features. If you update it and you're through with it, you're gonna just click the three lines next to your name. Alright, you will see multiple options. We're gonna go ahead into the edit. Alright, and here you're gonna edit the photo. You will see at the top, if you scroll up, you will see a trash icon. Okay, you're gonna just click on it, and it will says that you're gonna have 30 days until it's deleted permanently. So you're gonna just delete it, and you're gonna delete a part of the photo that that you want. All right, if it has more than one photo. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you